Okay, so my last words in the last episode was, I can't do this. To be honest, I can't. I just have to start off with, like, I don't know. End portal? What? What does that mean? That was that easy. Why did I do that? Now I'm in the end. You're kidding. What an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I have nothing on me. Nothing. Oh, wow. Shark. Get like 50 sharks. Oh, dang it. I fell. I have shark sword. I thought I was invincible if I had shark sword. Apparently not. Now I need to like get the best of everything and go back in there. Going back in. Oh, I've never been in the end, so that was pretty exciting for me. So I don't know about you. I'm going back in there prepared. Gonna get my dark matter hammer. Just one more thing. Just need one more thing. A diamond sword. Okay, we're going back in. We have to. It's what we were born for, to die. Well, at least I think. My head hurts. Too much thinking. Too much thinking. Okay, come on. Come on. Where is it? Where did it go? Where'd it go, boy? Where'd it go? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Dang it. Dang it. Oh, there it is. Take one thing out. Putting it right down there. Oh, yes. Place that. We're going in. Oh, this is going to be exciting now that we're all prepped. Why do I spawn right here? There's the end dragon. Never thought I would have this day. Oh, I hit it. How do I get over? Oh, hey. I have to turn on creative mode because there would be no other way to get over. How about we destroy all these heart crystals? Haha! No healing yourself. You have to make it fair before I fight it. So that means we have to destroy every single heart crystal. I've watched over 1,000 videos of the Ender Dragon fight. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's shift. I think I killed all. Okay. Let's fly with the Ender Dragon. Okay. I have to turn off creative mode. Oh, okay. Let's do this Ender Dragon. Why is nothing working? Oh, it works still. Come on. Come over here. Come over here. Oh. Come on. Slender Man. There you are. Stop leaving me, baby. Stop teleporting. Haha. There she is. Ender Dragon. Come down here. First. Double tap. Oh man. Now you're mad. How's this hammer? Hammer of Justice. I take no damage. No damage. No. I like that hammer. This mighty Thor hammer. Oh. You're a trickster, you little dragon. Trickster! Oh, I hit you once again. I do not appreciate your dragon attitude. Well, I'm gonna diamond. I think this might be better. Come on. Come on now. It's all okay. Booyah. Triple tap. Okay. We can do this. We can do this in 4 minutes, I think. Oh, yes. I like doing epic. What are you looking at? Huh? Punk? Oh, don't even mess. Don't even mess around. Don't even mess around. I've upset like 50. Ha. I'm not dead. God dang it. Stop. Hi, I don't see you. Okay. God. Where is he? Where's Lander? There you are. Come towards. Come here. Thank you. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on. Come on. Dive. Bomb. If it came close to me, then of course I would have killed it by now. You're dead now. Haha. I need a bow. You know, my ideas now. Those are my plans. Previous. Wait. Oh, never mind. Breathe. What's Prev? Never mind. Where's the bows? Okay, I'm bow. Arrows. Okay, good. Now you're dead. Come on. Work. Fine. I want a spear. Okay. Diamond spear. Okay. Place that. Haha. Oh, sucker. What'd you do? I smacked you on the snout. Why is there a skeleton archer? Whoa. Stop. Aha. I will stop you. Oh. Thanks. Oh. Where did it go? There you are. If it stopped flying around, the maniac, come down here, fight me. Good dragon. Huh, huh. Okay, goodbye guys. Join us next time when we kill the Ender Dragon.